morning, how are we? I'm just making myself my morning cup of tea, obviously, because you got to start the day off right, haven't you? Oh yes. I thought I would vlog today because I need to get out of the house. I've been in my house for quite a few days. I've been filming, I've been editing, and I'm starting to go a little bit stir crazy. So I thought, why not, you know, leave. I'm gonna go to TKmaxx and do a little bit of homeware browsing slash shopping. Since having the sofas, which are looking gorgeous. Thanks for asking. It looks like a greenhouse in here. What an oasis of calm and tranquility. It does make me feel really, really peaceful. Oh my god, I'm just so in love with it. I have got a new lamp coming. I found a side table that I like, but I haven't ordered that yet because I'm gonna see whether TKmaxx have anything. They won't have anything similar, I don't think, but I'm gonna see if they've got anything. I need to pick up, I know this is basic, but I need to pick up some more candles because I've burned all of my favorite candles and I'm now burning one that I don't actually like that much, and it's starting to make my house smell different, and I want to keep the nice scent of my house. I want to get picture frames, I need to get plant pots, I need some mirrors, and I need some clothes hangers because the ones I like are from TKmaxx, and I've got some and I need to get some more. I think that's everything, and then if I just see some nice things that won't clutter but will actually benefit the flat, then I'll pick them up as well. I'm gonna drink my tea, do my makeup whilst watching a vlog, and then I will head out. And then tonight I'm going to the pub with a couple of friends, Liam and Tom, two of my favourite amigos who you've definitely met before. Oh yeah, Pixie sent me a couple of palettes yesterday. I didn't even know that Pixie knew who I was, but they've sent me a couple of parcels recently, so thank you, Pixie. They've got this kind of warm one, this more cool toned one, and then some brushes, a little travel brush set, which is cute. Oh my god, Flower Beauty also sent me a package of stuff straight after I filmed the video, which is classic. You go out and buy a full face of a brand and then they send you everything. And then Hi Smile have also sent me their teeth whitening products to try out, so I will give this a go and I'll report back whether or not I like it. Whoa! Why are we so blue? We're still blue. There we go, that was weird. I'm dressed. I'm ready to go. We're going casual because we're just going homeware shopping. Just threw on my current face. You guys, I have basically got a whole new full face of favourite products. Picked up some new stuff that I've been meaning to try for like such a long time, and oh my god, my base, pretty great. Before we go, I want to show you a couple of things I picked up off of ASOS, because I picked up a couple of things for Valentine's Day. First thing is Tim's present. We are going to do little presents for Valentine's Day, but not like big presents. I've got Tim some pajama bottoms, these Mario ones from ASOS. It's because he's literally obsessed with Smash Bros right now, so I thought he could wear these while he plays at uni. I picked up myself a couple of bits. So Tim and I always do Valentine's Day the day after Valentine's Day on the 15th. Long story short, we tried, the first year we were going out, we didn't do Valentine's Day very well basically, so we were like, screw it, we're not gonna do Valentine's Day on Valentine's Day, let's start fresh, we'll do it on the 15th. So it's our day and it's something a bit different. On actual Valentine's Day we're going clubbing, and it's like a disco groove night, which is my favourite. So this year it falls on Valentine's Day, which is the dream. I picked up this t-shirt, it's a men's from ASOS, because I'm just gonna go full on obnoxious cliche. So I picked this up, I'm gonna tuck it into my rainbow jeans, and then I got these as well. I have got some pink heart glasses. When you look through it, it like changes the light, you know what I mean, and looks really cool like at clubs. But they're really, really heavy and people always steal them off of me, and it really annoys me. They're really broken now because so many girls have like ripped them off my face. I'm like, but I always lend them to the boys, and when boys are wearing something cool, like a cool hat or cool glasses, girls always just tear them off their faces because it's like their way of flirting, and it really pisses me off. I'm like, they're my glasses and you just bent them. So I got myself some cheap ones. These are a little bit more sassy. I'm going all out. I'm going all out, obnoxious pink and red hearts everywhere. I'll link everything I just showed you down below. I need to leave because otherwise I'm never gonna leave. I don't know if you can see me right now. I just set up my car mount and I know for a fact it's like not ideal. But anywho, gum. I feel like I make that joke every time I'm in my car. I offer you a piece of gum. Let's do this, guys. We've made it, ladies and gentlemen. This little area is so good. It's got a TKmaxx, a Next Home, a Hobbycraft. There's a man in the car next to me and I literally was talking to myself. I was not talking to you, but you don't know that. Also, I saw a man make himself get hit by a car earlier. I don't know how to describe it, but the car stopped and he walked into it and it was absolutely hilarious. He was obviously fine. I wouldn't be saying it was hilarious if it was like dodgy. Look at this lamp. Guys, it's been a successful trip. Who's that handsome boy in my back seat? Look at him. He's just chilling. I look insane right now, you guys. I'm sorry I didn't vlog much in there. It was literally silent. There was me and then 2 people who were working doing a stock count, I think. So I was just like, I can't get my camera out and just talk because they'll hear me talking and I'm here by myself. So I'm sorry I didn't take you like around with me, but guys, I'm gonna give you a haul to end all hauls when we get home. I am so happy with some of the stuff I found. Like, I was in there for a long time. What's the time now? It's 3:30. So I've been in there for like 2 hours. And it's not a very big TKmaxx, but I was really combing through each and every aisle to try and find some good things. And I have. I reckon I could have paid the price for like the whole thing for 3 of the items that I got from somewhere else. So I'm really pleased. I mean, obviously you know one thing I've bought. Pop to Tesco first. Now it's time to go home. What a success. Yes, yes. I can't wait to show you everything. I did a cheeky little Tesco's run because I'd run out of flowers. So let me just sort this out quickly. Oh my God, you see the color of my face in this lighting? Sophie subscribers, my kitchen lighting makes my face neon orange, okay? I got some white and orange tulips to go in the big pot. And then I got, because I can't believe I haven't yet, I got some daffodils to go into the little pot. Greek yogurt and nectarines, which is my favourite breakfast. And I was running out. Milk. This is my favourite squash. Apple and elderflower high juice from Tesco. It's my favourite juice. My favourite squash. I drank this so fast. So I got another one. I also picked up a candle. This is the Yankee Candle Iced Almond Cookies. Tulips can live there, and then I think I'll put the daffodils in here somewhere. These should probably be thrown soon. These were the funeral flowers for my grandpa. There he is. His funeral was last week, so I wanted to have some of the flowers in my house. Hi, I brought everything into the living room to show you what I've picked up. Went in there and didn't get anything I went in there for, but I got things that I didn't go in there for that I'm so happy with. Okay, let's start. If you watched my last vlog, I think it was my last vlog, I said that I really want to have loads of different lighting points in my living room because it's really dark in here. I am going to get obviously a bigger overhead light. At the moment it's just a single light bulb. It looks really sketchy. I will get a nice light fixture, but I'm really fussy. I haven't found the right thing, and I think I found something and then I don't like it, and I might have found one that I like now, so I'm going to show it to my dad and see. Because of the ceiling rose, it has to be a specific fitting and I'm not sure whether it is or not, so I'm going to ask him before I order it. I found an absolute gem. It's just the light stand, but it's made out of these gorgeous gold leaves and it is so cool. I think this was the most expensive thing in the whole haul. This was £40. I got this light shade to go on top of it. So it's just a cream kind of fabric with grey shapes on it, because I thought that they just looked it kind of, they went but also didn't, and I quite like that look. I was going to go for something bright, and I might change it to something bright in the future, but for now I think that's quite a cool like contrast. The only one that, oh my god, the lighting, what is happening? This was the only one in there, and I just thought, why not? When I was queuing up to pay, a lady standing next to me was like, oh my god, is there another one? And I was like, no, sorry, it was the only one there. She was like, that's amazing. So yeah, really, really pleased I found that. It was hidden at the back. I was like, oh my god. I think someone might have tried to hide it and come back for it, but sorry, I found it. Okay, next I picked up a faux plant. This was £20 because it's quite a big one. The hallway downstairs doesn't have any windows or natural light, so I need to put fake plants there because they would die. I look pink anyway, whatever. I think for now it's gonna live in here just while I kind of figure out what I want to do with that hallway. But I thought it was such a nice, I really liked the pot. It's kind of like a textured cream, and it's a good size, and it looks pretty good, like it's a pretty good fake. So I thought while I saw it, I should get it. I obviously got my greyhound. It might seem a bit random to some of you if you don't know me very well, but my dream dog is a retired racing greyhound. I fell in love with greyhounds a couple of years ago, and I don't really know what triggered it. I just started seeing them and thinking that they were the most amazing looking dogs. I really, really want to adopt one, but while I'm still a bit here, there and everywhere with work, like while I need to be kind of in London at the drop of a hat or traveling somewhere, and my dad doesn't really like dogs, so he can't look after it if I do need to go somewhere. So I'm not in a position quite yet to get a dog. It is definitely a goal for the next few years, but as of now, I'm trying to be responsible, and I don't think I'd be able to look after a dog as well as it deserves. I was in there and I saw this greyhound statue, like his little face was peeking out through loads of other ones, and I was like, oh my god, what a handsome boy. So I sent a picture to my dad, my two best girlfriends, and Tim. My dad thought it was amazing, Tim thought it was amazing, the girls laughed at me, so I got it. There was two, so I was tempted to get both to put either side of my front door, but I'm glad I didn't, because my front door, the doorstep is up against the wall on one side and not against the other, so I wouldn't have been able to put one either side because it's not symmetrical, and it would have looked weird. He is gorgeous, and he was only 30 quid. I asked her to price check it for me because there wasn't a price, and she was like, oh, it's £30. She was like, god, that's a good deal. I was like, it's mine, I'm taking him. If you guys can think of a name for him, leave it down below because I need to name him. I picked up 60 black coat hang. Guys, I'm really sorry about this color. I love these because they're super thin, and they're like slip proof. So I got 60 of these because we're thinking about how we're gonna do my wardrobe, which is still just an empty room. So my clothes are kind of everywhere, which is stressing me out because I have so many clothes. And then I picked up 20 of these ones, which are the oh, they have kisses on them. I didn't realise that, that's a bit tacky. But I do have some of these, but they don't have kisses on them. They're just nude ones with brass, because I'm gonna have an exposed hanging rail either in my bedroom or in my office. So I wanted to have pretty hangers for outside and ugly hangers for inside. For the kitchen, I really need oven gloves. It's something that I always forget to buy, and I just use a tea towel, but I really needed some oven gloves. So I got these ones. Look how cool. They've got little toucans on them. These are toucans, right? These are from a brand called Fenella Smith. This was $7.99. I just love the orange and the green, and oh my god, literally matches my outfit. And then I also picked up some plain tea towels. These are gonna be my not pretty ones that I just put in the drawer that I really need to dry things with, whereas I've got some like aesthetically pleasing ones that aren't actually very good tea towels. So these ones are from Artisan Deluxe. I then went into the like food section, and I never go into the food section of TKmaxx. I always just buy homeware, and I don't really ever look at the clothes either, which I probably should, to be honest. So annoying. I picked up 3 different flavored coffees: salted caramel, sticky buns, sticky buns, and then I also just picked up a plain vanilla. Oh yeah, oh, I forgot about you. Okay, some of you might think I'm crazy, but I picked up It's a parakeet, I think. He was £9, and I have seen a sculpture thing like this in on Rocket St. George, which is one of my favorite homeware websites, and it's like £50. And I fell in love with it, and when I decided I wanted to paint my living room green, I was like, that would look so cool because it was completely green. And then today in TKmaxx, I saw this guy for £9, yellow and blue and red, and he's on this lovely little black stand. So I picked him up, and I'm gonna put him on my fireplace, and this is exactly what I wanted. He's a little bit smaller and he's not completely green, but to be honest, I'm kind of glad because my living room is looking very green. I didn't know I was gonna have green sofas when I looked at that bird. So now I'm glad that he's got some different shades in him, and he's so lovely. Then I picked up a photo frame. It's got 3 pictures in. It's kind of like this dotted pattern. There was also one that was like a zebra, which I wish I'd also bought, but I didn't need both. I really like that it's got the little black dots. I think it's quite cool. It's got texture to it, and it's got 2 square photos and then a 6x4. And this was £15. Finally, I picked up a plant pot, which was one of the things I needed. It's this gorgeous bright turquoise with orange circles. This was £4. It matches the blue in my cushions perfectly. So that's gonna go probably on my fireplace as well. So those are all of the bits that I have picked up today. I'm really pleased. I think this is a very successful haul of goodies. I'm sorry that I didn't actually vlog while I was in there. I feel like such a fraud. I was like, yeah, I'll vlog me going shopping in TKmaxx, and then I didn't. This is basically just a TKmaxx haul. I'm gonna have a little look around, maybe try and put some stuff in places where I think it will live. And then I'll show you guys what I decide to do with everything in a minute. So this vlog is not yet over. I'm going to style up the pieces. I'm going to try and figure out how to fix my... Oh, I'm dropping everything. I'm going to try and figure out how to make my lighting less pink because this is not a good look. He's living there for now. He's living there for now. I put together the light. I do think I want to go for a bright colour. I also don't have a bulb for it. Nice big old fail. I'm just going to quickly whack some photos in this. Cute! I just put some pictures in the frame. There's one of me and Soph in Ibiza. This is me, Liz and Cara when we went to a cocktail making class. And then this is after we did the escape room. Fraser's head's getting cut off, which is really sad. I'm sorry, Fraz, your face is there. Anyway, I am gonna end the vlog now. I need to quickly eat some dinner, touch up my face a little bit, and then I need to head to the pub to go and meet the boys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little I don't even know, little come shopping with me / car vlog / haul. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what your favorite thing I got is. I'd love to know, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.